Here we have a Jet 3-inch by 79-inch belt grinder. This unit pivots up and down, as you can see right here. Okay, there's a down position and back up. I'm just going to lock it in. It's unused. It's in really good condition. And what we're going to do is we're just going to open the cover here. We're going to power it up for you just to show you that it does operate. The 4 horsepower, 230 volt 3-phase. It does include 4 belts, except we didn't hook any of the belts up. We didn't think we really had to. In any case, all the functions appear to operate very nicely on here. There's a few little paint scratches, little cosmetic. Nothing, not a big deal. It's like one here, some on the base, one right there. Your belt cover. This belt cover hinge is just slightly bent there. It does close all the way. Little small scratch right there. It includes your instruction manual, parts manual, and a 3-inch dust chute. And like I said, you get 4 belts with that. And we thank you for looking at our product.